was not even recording. But hi, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a super nice day. Today's look is gonna be a super simple look for those of you guys who don't want to buy any costume and just want to be creative this year. The only thing you're gonna need is a black eyeliner and some black eyeshadow and basically get creative. So today's look is gonna be the Ouija board girl. I'm gonna call her that, but you know, you can be a man and still, you know, rock this look, I'm sure. And it's gonna be super simple, but I think it's gonna be like a really like original costume look, because if you're new here, I'm doing a 31 Halloween makeup series in 31 days, so make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. And if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Hey, so first of all, I suggest doing your makeup first. It's gonna be easier after that to kind of create the looks that you want. And if you want to know how to get this look specifically, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. So I went in and with the eyeliner and I did the yes and the no's, and I'm really following the Ouija board. So on the no, it's like a moon and the stars, and on the yes, it's a sun. So yeah, you can get creative. You don't have to do as the same as me. Just, you know, follow your inspiration while looking at the board, and I think it's gonna be perfect. Then I went in and did the letters, but I'm gonna go back in after the end of the look. You're gonna see, because I really wanted to match the handwriting of the board. And then I went in with a lip liner. This one is by Morphe. It's a black lip liner, and I'm gonna go in with some NYX XXL lingerie lipstick. Love this lipstick for this look. It's super like matte but like glowy. It's just, I love it. Then I went back with the NYX eyeliner just to do some touch-ups and really make it the letter look like the letters on the board. And then I did the sun, which was really tricky. I started like at least 10 times. But I just did some teeny strikes, and then I did a little bit of medium strike. But you can, like I said, go creative. Then I went in with a black eyeshadow on my outer corners, sorry. And I also did the exact same thing on my lower lash line, just to darken up the look and also give it a really Ouija board vibe. For the eyeshadow look, like I said, I'm gonna link the tutorial down below, but it's super fallish, and I think the golden reflex really look nice. You can also paint your tan body gold. I think that would be also really epic. But then I went in with some water activated paint. The color that I used was black, and I just wanted to create some like smoke but also like rustic board look. So that's what I did with like the water activated paint, so it looks a little bit like transparent. I also saw people using the black and doing like an ombre effect from the neck, which I thought was also really cool. The letters also, you can buy like stickers if you don't want to write them. As you can see, I was not proud of them, so I'm gonna, you know, redo them. But just, you can buy like letters, like I said, stickers that really look like the letters in the board, but I chose to write them because I'm nuts and crazy, and doing it in a mirror was not, you know, nice, but still, you know, it's still nice, you know, it's still like acceptable, I feel like. Then I went in on the Ouija board and redid it again, but this one I just did like thicker letters to look like the lettering of the title of the board again. And like I said, matching as close as possible to the lettering of that. Then I added some stars and little dots, but that's solely, like I said, optional. Then I did a little bit of the pointy mouth in the corner of the mouth just to add more character to the look. Pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this look. I hope you found it fun. Let me know if you choose this makeup for Halloween, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.